Are you ready to ensure top-notch food safety in your kitchen? This guide will walk you through closing procedures using eAuditor. Discover how to maintain hygiene and equipment readiness effortlessly. Kitchen closing involves end-of-shift cleaning, maintenance, and security tasks. A structured checklist is vital for sanitation and appliance longevity. With eAuditor, track procedures digitally to prevent violations. Improve accountability and maintain safety standards. eAuditor makes kitchen closing efficient and reliable. Log in to eAuditor on any device for setup. Choose a checklist from the template library or create one. Configure sections for cleaning, storage, and security. Assign inspections to supervisors or staff for accountability. eAuditor simplifies your kitchen closing process. Wipe and sanitize all kitchen surfaces to prevent contamination. Clean stovetops, ovens, and grills thoroughly. Ensure utensils and tools are washed and stored properly. Regular cleaning prevents grease buildup and ensures safety. eAuditor helps maintain hygiene standards. Run and sanitize the dishwasher, then empty it. Clean and turn off mixers, slicers, and blenders. Store leftover food in airtight containers and discard expired items. Empty trash bins and replace liners. Proper shutdown and storage ensure safety and efficiency. Ensure refrigerators are at the correct temperature. Use the first-in, first-out method for ingredient organization. Turn off all cooking equipment for safety. Lock kitchen doors and storage areas securely. eAuditor ensures thorough safety checks. With eAuditor, track procedures and maintain food safety effortlessly. Assign tasks, monitor completion, and ensure a clean environment. Implement eAuditor for excellence in kitchen operations.